this woman way I paid for house for you for 2 years. I furnished the apartment. Shebi, this your daughter. It's not Titi. Stand up. No run, no. If you run, I go beat grace come up for your head. You know, your mom is still using it to beg, Abi. After I paid for house, paid for 2 years, furnished it, bed, TV, people's money, bought phone for you, still gave you 300,000 to start business. You run, come out. No, okay, go beat this woman. I go kill you for here, you mad. People's money.
You give me 300,000.
Okay, I go finish this one for here. Oh yeah, man, stand up from there. Man, stand up.
Where you give me 300,000?
I'm not going to.
Hello, my people. Hey, wonder shall never end. This life, nobody to trust. You see this video when I just watch finish now. I will put the other video for Namona watcher. To help person nowadays, you go to think twice before you do help before you help people. This woman will be say this our brother just like post now. Will be say that video wanna watch where I go put for now. Now good now this our brother do for this woman. The good now don't turn to another thing. Okay, somebody will be say if they drive for car, you see this woman with 2 children, they're there for street, then they sleep for Abuja. He stop because of that good mind we get. Stop, ask this woman, why una dey road by this time? Not supposed to dey inside and they sleep. He tell her, now so this one, now so the other one. This boy now, this our brother, he can't decide, say, okay, you know what, I be somebody where be say they do social media things. I go bring you come out for my platform. People can't donate for this woman. They give her apartment so that she go get there to the stay. They pay everything, they furnish all the room. Oh my God. The other day wey be say after they were done, she don't enter the house. Another day wey be say they can't give her, I think about 200,000 naira. They say the next day then this woman carry pikin run comot. I will put the video and I will list it by ourselves. When this our brother will come to tell us what happened for them. To help somebody nowadays safe, it like you want to throw away your money for inside river. Because if you don't help them finish, where you tell them say they not go again, now then they go still go, especially when they go to sleep for road. I don't know whether this something they sweet them or they just like the way be say that they do all those things, go they sleep with, especially when they get children, small pikin, we're supposed to be inside house they sleep. Anyway, my people, wanna watch this video, leave your comment. Not be the first time where they see people like this where they say they help finish, they will still go street. You get one mother where they say get triplets. The same thing now this woman say they do. They carry triplets, they put for road. When people come, they donate for them, they help them. But when people be saying they help now, without money, why not reason to do something? Anyway, my people, wanna listen to this video, okay? Thank you for watching, for liking and share my video. Do not forget to follow me on Touchable Mama Backup page or Touchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube, Onto Mama Namisti Geta. God bless you. One love, my people.
Madam, you think I no go catch you, Abi? You think I no go catch you? You think I no go catch you? See this woman way I paid for house for you for 2 years. I furnished the apartment. Shebi, this your daughter. It's not Titi. Stand up. No run, no. If you run, I go beat grace come up for your head. You know, your mom is still using it to beg, Abi. After I paid for house, paid for 2 years, furnished it, bed, TV, people's money, bought phone for you, still gave you 300,000 to start business. You run, come out. No, okay, go beat this woman. I go kill you for here, you mad. People's money.
You give me 300,000.
Okay, I go finish this one for here. Oh yeah, man, stand up from there. Man, stand up.
Where you give me 300,000?
I'm not gonna cut this man a thief.
Okay, where you
People money.
give me
Stand up. Come on, stand up.
300,000?
Officer, I'm gonna carry this man come out.
Where you
You
give
they
me
use this children, they beg, Abi.
Where
You think I no go catch you?
Where you give me
I lost this woman for hotel, officer. I lost this man for hotel for 1 week for Utako.
Rent me security room.
Hey,
Now
this man
security post.
is very ungrateful.
Security post.
Very ungrateful. Look at all the things they are saying. A lot of people will be wondering why I was angry in that very video. Now let me explain. You see, when you run a foundation in Nigeria, especially one that caters for the less privileged in the society, a lot of people will look at you as somebody who uses the poor to enrich himself. And I don't find that funny at all. You see the woman in this very video, that was last year. I saw her and I posted that video, helped her to raise some money. Now let me remind you how I met this woman. I was driving home from the cinema. I live in Jabi. I saw her on the roadside with her 2 children. It was raining and they were in the rain. My friend said I should mind my business. I said no, I'm a Christian. I need to stop by and see if I can help. I came back. I asked her, Mama, why are you on the street with these 2 children by this time? It was almost 12 a.m. and it is raining. She said that her house was demolished in Guzape. She used to hop pure water. She doesn't have where to go, where to stay. Her husband abandoned her and she really needs help. I introduced myself to her and I fell for her, the story she told me. I took her to a hotel. I used my money. She was there for like 1 week in the hotel. I told my PA, look for a self-contained apartment, something affordable that even after we pay for, she'll be able to continue from where we stopped. My PA found a self-contained. We paid for 2 years. We bought bed, television, Go TV, standing fan. We did cupboard, curtains, cooking gas, kitchen utensils, pots. We bought food provisions, enough. We even bought her a phone and then give her the money that was remaining from the donation that was sent for her. So in that very video where I caught this woman, people heard me shouting 300,000. I was wrong. It was after I went to the police station, I settled down, I went back to the video I posted online. This is 233,200 naira. So I went to the bank to withdraw all that was left from the money that was donated. So after renting the apartment, so this is a self-contained apartment. So this is the money that is left. Okay. Can I see inside, please? Okay, so I just want to, I'm doing this so that people will see that the money that they sent is what I'm giving to you. After we did all these things for this woman, guess what? This woman ran away and abandoned everything. Just took the money and took everything. When police asked her, Mama, did this man did all these things for you? She said yes. Then why did you run away? She said she didn't run away. That because I posted her phone number in the video, people were calling her. Some people said they needed to send her money. Some people were calling to advise her and stuff. And then somebody called her and said that if she has rented a shop yet, or if I've rented a shop for her. She said no. Then the person said, okay, that money I gave to her in that video, is she still with it? She said yes. He now said, okay, that she should come and meet the man, that the man wants to rent a shop for her. And this woman went. This story I'm telling you is what she told us in the police station. I don't know if it's true or not. And when she went to meet the man came with all these cars and to taxi. He took her, that the man just drove her to some destination that she doesn't even know about. And then the next thing, the man said that she should give him the money, that he wants to use the money to rent her a shop. And she handed over the money to the man. The man also took the phone that I bought for her, then told her that if she knows what is good for herself, that let her don't go back to that apartment if she cares about herself and her children. And then the man drove off and abandoned her, and that was how she never came back there. But you see, I find this story hard to believe. But then, even if this happened, this also exposed me to the dangers of putting phone numbers. The people I'm interviewing in the comment section, now I realize that it is not ideal to put their phone numbers there. And that's not the only thing, no. This woman went to the police station and was accusing me that people were calling her to tell her that I'm using her to make money for myself. This woman even went to tell the police officers that she met somebody that told her that the person sent me 2 million naira, that I should use it to take care of the woman and her children. All my life, we've never received 2 million naira donation. Never. The highest single donation we've received is 500,000, and that was for this Chidima story, the girl that became a single mother at 18, and she had 4 children at the age of 21. Somebody actually sent in 500k because people sent in money for that very girl. And this woman went on to accuse me in the police station. At some point, the police officers looked at me because some people don't want to see a young boy that has a car. See, like, for God's sake.